Hi, I am so happy to hang out with you for a few minutes, and I really appreciate you coming here to be with me. My name is Julia, and I am with Julia Sue's Stamping. So if this is your first time here, welcome. And if you have been here lots of times before, welcome back. I'm again so glad that you are here. It makes it fun to do crafting, knowing that I get to share how to do some of these fun activities with you. So I'm passionate about stamping, coloring, paper crafts, making cards, and sharing the fun of how to do all of that with you. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so everything I use is Stampin' Up! If you would like to use me as your demonstrator, I really appreciate your support of my small business. Thank you. I have a website, Julia Sue's Stamping. All my stuff is Julia Sue's Stamping, so please check it out. There are a lot more details there. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera down to the work surface so we can get started. So the stamp set being used today is the Friends for Life. That is the same stamp set that was used with this card and with this card. The stamp set is incredible. It is so versatile. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So anyway, Friends for Life, and using the dies, coordinating dies that go with it. Only this one though today. I'm not using the others, just this one for this card. And I started with a piece of the thick basic white cardstock that has your usual card size, and then I did it in half, and I am going to score it with my foam folder so it's nice and tight. Then I have a piece of basic black cardstock as well as some basic white, so I'm going to lay the basic black on top. With some adhesive. You can use whatever adhesive you like. I tend to go with the tape roller, and in this case the Seal Plus. And then I'm going to stamp on the inside the leaf from that stamp set using Memento Tuxedo Black ink, because I want to dress up the inside of the card. And I'm going to use having to go get it here. The Pierce mat is right here at the side though. There we go. Because this is a photopolymer stamp and it needs a little bit of cushion under it. Nice. Okay. Then I'm going to put the basic white on top with this seal, the Seal Plus as well. And I should probably close up that ink or I will end up running the cardstock through it, because that's my skill. I'm really good at doing that. All right, so out of the Full of Life Designer Series paper, which comes in the most awesome colors, and I used it for these two cards as well. It's just the best. I love this Designer Series paper. It's 6x6 pieces. I did cut out with this and my cut and emboss machine the leaf. And if you are going to end up doing die cutting and paper piecing with these, here is my tip for you. Take them out and try to put them kind of in order so it's easy to figure out. And then I'm going to take a little bit of liquid glue, the liquid adhesive, and I'm going to put some adhesive onto the back of this piece here and lay it down onto the basic white, because this will be our basically the art piece on here. All right, and now I'm gonna just lay that down, and I like the bright bold color of this against the white that has been framed with the black, so the black has helped grounding it. And then I'm going to use the take your pick tool. I'm going to put just a little bit of adhesive, the glue right in here, not too much, and then I'm going to use the take your pick tool and lift it up, putting it into that empty spot. And then same thing with the others. And so since I was able this time to put it in order, it'll be so much easier for me to, I'm going to take off this piece and use the pick to guide it into the space just a little bit better. And then a little bit of adhesive glue right here, not too much, and using the sticky part again, and then turning it around and using the pick to really get it in nice and firmly. Sliding it right in there. Okay, I'll put this back. All right, and so then I have this to use on another project, so I'm pretty excited about that, as well as these from the other ones that I cut out earlier, ready for another project. That's pretty cool. Then I'm going to stamp the Thinking of You from that stamp set using the Pierce mat, so I've got some extra give under it, and it's nice, I can see right where I'm stamping on it, and I want it just a little bit more inked up than that. All right, that's better. All right, let's see, I want to try and have it straight on there. Okay, I'm fine with that. I think that looks great. And then using the adhesive backed sparkle gems, because there are some black ones in there, and the take your pick tool again. And one more, because I like to do odd numbers. There. All right, a little finishing touch. I've got some Wink of Stella to brush onto the black and give it a little bit of a shimmer so that it's extra special now. You could brush the Wink of Stella over the entire image if you want, or just the black, that's up to you. But I decided to only do the black because I thought it just gave it a nice little shimmer. You see how nicely it sparkles there? So when someone gets it, they're going to notice that. They may not really like go, ooh, look at that, but they will notice it. So it's one of those details that makes it just extra special, little something. All right, there you have it, a quick paper piecing card. Hopefully a few tips and tricks for you to have and take away. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave them for me. I will do my very best to answer you. And I would really appreciate it if you would please give the video a thumbs up. Your support means so much to me. All right, I hope you have a fabulous day and that you have an opportunity to get inky today. Bye-bye.